Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to increase your earning on the CATYLY airdrop. After you've staked the 500 that you claim as free airdrop, I'll be showing you how to increase your earning on the platform. But before we dive into details of how we can increase our earning on this platform, welcome to my YouTube channel, Ojo Billionaire Academy. On this channel I talk about how to make money online, how to claim free cryptocurrency, and how to earn airdrop. So if you are new to this channel, kindly click the subscribe button so that you'll be subscribed to the channel. Also click the notification bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload videos like this. On this channel I talk about how you can make money online, how you can claim free cryptocurrency, and how you can participate in airdrop. So if you are interested in any of this topic, go ahead and subscribe, click the notification bell icon so that you'll be the first to notify. Also don't forget, I have tons of videos on my channel where I talk about how you can basically make money for yourself online. You can go ahead and watch some of these videos and see for yourself. So the video which I'm currently making is a continuation video after I've made this video right here. This video I made here about 11 days ago, telling you how you can basically earn 500 CATYLY token as airdrop and stake it to earn up to $166, and you can make a withdrawal to your Binance address directly. So I'll be making a video to show you how you can increase your earning. So if you haven't watched this video, please go ahead and watch this video. It is very important and it is necessary. Go ahead and watch this video right here and see for yourself how you can participate in this airdrop. So that being said, let's dive into details of this video. Guys, I will need to sign in to my account. So basically I just my informations are already saved, so I'll just input them and sign in. I'll just have to fill this captcha here. So it's capital J E A Z. So that being done, I'll click sign in. After inputting the captcha correct, check correct. So guys, right here I'm in my CATYLY wallet, and if you watch the other video, you see that I got 500 CATYLY token which I use for the airdrop, and I staked it right here. I stake the CATYLY token right here. So, and every day I'm entitled to get 15 CATYLY token from this 500 that was staked, and so far I've been able to earn this amount you see right here, 119. But then again, I've also been able to get referrals. As you can see, I have about 20 plus referrals on this platform, and it has enabled me in this certain amount of the CATYLY token. I've earned this amount of the CATYLY token from these total numbers of referrals. So guys, what I want to show you today is basically restaking or investing into this platform. So first, if you want to buy more CATYLY, if you want to buy CATYLY token, because the more CATYLY token you have, the more you earn, you can just basically click this button right here. You click buy, and when you click buy, you just copy this address right here. You are expected to pay purchase presale in lifetime $1 minimum to $1 is equivalent to 250 CATYLY token. So this is it. Purchase limit, you have to purchase minimum of $1 to $10,000. So you have to just copy this wallet here. For instance, you copy this wallet and you take to wherever you have your USDT or whatsoever that you want to pay, and you send it, and it must be BEP20 BNB chain. You send it to the wallet, and you come here and click payment, and they will verify that you've made the payment. And when your payment is successful, they will now give you the number of CATYLY token you paid for. So remember, $1 is equivalent to 250 CATYLY token. So if you are buying $10 CATYLY token, that will be 2,500 CATYLY tokens. So, and over here you can come here and basically click here. So so far this is what we've staked. The 500 will go from Airdrop, and this is what we've been able to earn. And you can see right here it's saying over $4.22 for the total of this. But then again, what I want to do is I want to restake so that I can be earning more. So what I basically need to do is to click here, stake, and input everything I have in my wallet is 554. I'm staking everything I have. But if I wanted to make a withdrawal, I would have been able to make a withdrawal. Let me just show you that before I come back here. If I wanted to make a withdrawal, it's very simple. All you just need to do is to click your wallet right here, your wallet up here. When you click it, you see buy, you see sell. You can click sell. When you click sell, yes, you put in the minimum amount of CATYLY token you can sell is 60 CATYLY token, and I have over 540 of CATYLY token right here. They are buying back CATYLY token at 300 CATYLY token per dollar, but remember they said the other side that they are selling at 250 CATYLY token per dollar, but yeah, they are buying at 350 CATYLY token per dollar. So if I should put, let me say 60, which I guess is like the minimum withdrawal, this is 0.2 cents is what we stand to gain. But then I want to stake everything so that I can earn more. So I will stake 554.890. I'm staking everything. No, I made a mistake. I went to sell. I'm not sorry. Oh shit, I went to do sell. I was supposed to stake and I went to go and do sell. So basically what I'll be getting is this is a very costly mistake. This is not what I intended to do. I wish I could cancel this. But guys, basically that is it. I've sold what I have. I wish I could cancel it. I really wish I could cancel this. I was supposed to stake, not sell. I was just showing an example. But that is it, guys. Nevertheless, I've not made any investment so far. But as you can see, I think selling off that amount of CATYLY token, I think I'll make up to $2 or thereabout from it. So that is it, guys. So basically I wanted to show you that I didn't have staked that. If that increased my chance of earning more, that is what I wanted to do. If I've staked it, if that increased my chance of earning more, because the minimum you can stake is 500. If I've staked it, that have increased my chance of earning more. That's what I was looking at. So I was looking at maybe any more CATYLY token. So that is it. But nevertheless, that will be it for this video. Also, I will be using this video therefore as a live withdrawal from the platform so that you all can see, just in case you want to make investment or buy. You can see a lot of people are cashing out from this platform. This CATYLY token is an opportunity for you to also key in. That's it all. That will be all for now, guys.